Now the aim of this experiment is you are going to find out using magnetic compass you are going to determine the neutral point. This is the aim of your experiment. Now this is your bar magnet. Red is your north pole and blue is your south pole. Now first of all I am going to bring the south pole of the magnetic needle towards the north pole. And what will happen, as I am going to increase the distance, the deflection will change. But after particular distance, the deflection which is shown by the needle will remain constant. That is called as neutral point. That distance we are going to measure. That's all. That is only the aim. You have to keep the bar magnet in south-north direction. At the north pole, I am bringing the south pole, and I am rotating. I am varying the distance. You will observe that your deflection is changing. Little bit is changing. But after crossing some distance, now see here, after reaching this particular point, the deflection is remaining constant. Even though if I go ahead, the deflection is not changing. That is a neutral point. So you have to measure this distance from the center till this particular. From this point, I am getting the deflection constant. Similarly, you repeat this procedure. This is your south pole and you have to bring the north pole like this. Now as you go away, you will observe once again the deflection is, you are observing some deflection, but after, see here, you are getting some deflection, but after crossing particular distance, yes, after crossing this particular distance, your deflection is remaining constant. That is a neutral point. So you have to measure the distance from this point to this point and write it. Measure the distance from this center towards this. So this particular, when I am bringing the south pole, I got the distance 11.5, and when I am bringing north pole, I am getting the distance 13.2. But that's all. You have to measure the neutral point distance, where after this particular point, the deflection in the needle remains constant. It will not change. That is the experiment. This is a demo experiment. You have to determine the neutral point.